Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Westpac Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in westpac.com.au and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Westpac Bank website. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the register button at the top right corner and then choose what kind of account you would like to create. After choosing your account type, click on the register now button. Once you click on the register button, you will be allowed to fill up your Westpac credentials. You can either choose your card number or your customer ID. Choose whichever option is suitable for you, and then you can enter either your customer ID followed by your first and your last name and your date of birth, or you can use your card number followed by the same credentials. After filling these up, you can click on the next button and you can set up your security questions. After setting up your security question, you can create your password for your account and finally set up your contact details. And once your contact details have been verified through SMS or email, your account will finally be activated and you will be able to start using your Westpac online banking account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Westpac. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.